Experiencing touchpad issues on your PlayStation Portal during PS5 remote play? You're not alone. Many users encounter unresponsive controls, lag, or failed input registration. First, ensure your Portal and PS5 are updated to the latest firmware. Outdated software often causes glitches. Next, recalibrate the touchpad via Settings, Accessories, PlayStation Portal, Touchpad Calibration. Also, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, as high latency can lead to unresponsiveness. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try a full reset of your PlayStation Portal. If issues persist, there might be a hardware problem. Early models, especially from 2024, had potential solder joint failures on the touchpad PCB. Contact Sony support for possible warranty replacement if your device falls under this category. Be aware of potential overheating. Allow your Portal to cool down if used for prolonged periods. If you're comfortable, check if the touchpad is recognized by connecting the Portal to a PC via USB and looking in Device Manager.